Hello, traders. I hope you all doing good. And I know it's been a while. I haven't posted anything actually, and the reason was, uh, I was just busy, for TikTok, just posting it. But I'm gonna try to keep posting every single day, from now on. And yeah, your boy Young Somali Trader came back. What I'm saying? I hope you can hear me well. Like I ain't got no microphone, so maybe my voice is kind of a little bit, um, low, but I hope you can hear me very well. So, before we get into the video, I want to guys let you know that in this trading world, I've been in almost a year right now, and I feel like some kind of giving up, but actually I said no, I am not gonna quit. So if you guys thought about quitting, never, never, I'm telling you, because like especially if you're doing it over a year, I'm telling you, never, quit anything that you've started and you've been doing it like over a year, bro. If you're just quitting, ask yourself like why the hell did you start, so does that mean if I quit something that I've been doing a year over a year, if I quit it, does that mean just that year just was nothing? I mean, I just wasted that year. Yeah, it simply means that. And it never comes back, right? Time. So time is really the most commodity, the most precious commodity in the entire world. Time is the only one that is running, that's not waiting for you. So I'm telling you, if you're young, for real, I'm telling you, if you're young, like you gotta get benefit from your time, the time you have, because we ain't got no responsible for anyone, you know what I'm saying? And we got nothing to do, like we're just free, we got nothing, so we gotta get benefit from the time we have, because there will be a time that we won't have such time we have right now. So actually, think about it, whatever it is. If you're watching this video, you're probably trader. So I'm telling you, even if you've been doing it over a 6 month, bro, never quit it, because it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it, of course. And think about it. Why? Ask yourself this: like, why the hell did I start? If I'm thinking about quitting later, why did I start? So if you have a you know vision, if you have a goal that you really can see, because they say if you can see it here, you can make it come true. So think about it actually. um and I thought about like having a YouTube channel. I said, what if I have a YouTube channel, like after I achieved my goals. And I was like, no, 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 wait. What if you just continue with your journey with the people, and just keep posting every single day while you're broke, and you know when it's time, it's gonna say boom, success. While I do have a journey, because I mean at that time people are gonna realize that this guy started from zero to now he's a successful person. That's what they're gonna think, of course. But if I just gonna pop up, while I succeed, no one is gonna know me. Like, I'm gonna be a random guy, right? Like a random guy who is, maybe I don't know, mm, just came up somewhere we don't know it. Like, so I'd prefer to guys share with you my idea, like I mean my journey of trading to broke to all the way, you know, um, to all the way rich. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm I'm sure I'm sure absolutely like a million percent that I'm gonna be whatever. I can't. The thing is, I can't. How can I say this? I can decide the time I will be. But I'm telling you, there will be a time I'm gonna be a multi-millionaire, if not a billion, bro. I'm telling you, because I do believe this, bro. says like they say, if you believe it, you can make it. It's just belief system, your belief system. If you believe you can do something, you can be something, boom, you can do it. Like no matter what. Because think about it, like it's not the first thing that I mean, you're not the only guy who's doing it. Like it's being done before me. So the thing, like the goal I have, and how can I say that the goal I have, and also like it's not something random. It's something that people did it. They just were like those people, successful people that we see now. They've been in our, s- in our situation right now. They've been there, and they passed it. They said we can do it. They said we can be. You know what I'm saying? So think about it. You gotta not believe like think about other people, think about yourself, think about the time you have, think about whatever you can do, that you can do whatever, whatever, bro, whatever you can do. I believe it's just about your belief system. It depends on your belief system. So if you believe that you can do something, you can do it, whatever it is. If it's the most like the hardest thing ever, people tell you, if you believe you can do it, you can do it. So it's easy. And as we know, starting a journey always, beginning is the hardest. And why? Because you're gonna experience a lot of things, about the thing that you're doing, about the journey that you're going through. You're learning. So the more you fail about what you're doing, the more you get experience, the more you get. So failure is the best teacher ever. People are gonna say to you like, we failed, bro. Fail, I learned it. What did I fail? I failed at that. Okay, let me learn from that. My failure. Let me learn from failure. It's not just failure. Failure is a teacher. People, understand it's another thing. I mean, in another way. But the truth is, failure is the only teacher that's gonna teach you, the real, what the real life is. You know what I'm saying? So, whatever you are in a journey, trading, bro. Since we're talking about trading right now, um, I mean, for this channel is trading. I'm telling you, never, ever, ever give up. I'm telling you, that's what I tell myself all the time, to not give up no matter what. I said to myself, even if it takes 10 years to be a successful person, I'm gonna do it no matter what. So the thing is, like, people have different mindset, the way they think. So you're gonna see a young person. I've seen like this guy called like Raul Lambo Raul. Like this guy, bro. I don't know where he's from, but the thing is like he became a multi-millionaire like at the age of 22. I don't know, 22, bro. So when I'm saying people have different mindset, is when it comes to trading, they do have different mindset, the way they think. So that means your mindset can either make you rich earlier or later. You know what I'm saying? So people are not different from anything else, but different from the mindset, the way they think. Well, you know what I'm saying? So the way, if you know the way you think, so yeah, you don't have to worry about it. Like it's just it's just a matter of time, it's just a matter of time. So I really like to post um videos, in YouTube, TikTok, because it's just my favorite thing. So whatever you're going, don't just how can I say this, like make it make enough only trading. You gotta have a YouTube channel. You can, like, what, do something, bro, do something new. Because I said, now I'm a trader, what else do I do actually? What else do I really do? I asked myself, and I said, what else? Okay, now I don't have any TikTok, I don't have any channel YouTube. So what the hell am I doing? Am I only just gonna make it on myself, like just trading? No, I said no. I'm gonna have a channel YouTube, no matter what. I'm gonna post every single day. Um, yeah, and it's not like education what I'm telling you guys. It's just my journey from zero to hero. As you can see, from zero. Maybe later, yeah, you'll see, inshallah. But um, yeah, you gotta have a vision. You gotta have a mindset. Like one of the things that also this guy called Yerimi like said is when you're trading, don't think about out of place. Don't just think about out of place. Think about the kind of life you want to live, the kind, the people you love that you'll help. Think about all of those, and in order to reach that, certain levels, you need to be disciplined. People, those are successful people, are disciplined, control themselves. Although it's really hard to control yourself, but they control themselves. So if you really can control yourself, bro, you can control a lot of people. That's what the principle says. So yeah, this guy, I don't know, Jim something called. He said, if you can't control yourself, you can't control anyone else. And it's really hard. Controlling yourself is not, an easy thing because all yourself all at once is, meaningless things, hanging out with friends, like just wasting time. Oh, that's all it wants, all your self wants, right? But if you can control it really and be, successful, you can do this. So the thing is also in trading, you gotta realize that you cannot control what the market is doing or the outcome of the market. You cannot control ever, but what you can control is your reaction, the way you react to the market. That means if I want to take a trade, I gotta think a lot because the market doesn't give a shit about me. Like I don't have to actually like the market doesn't care totally. Like whatever you are, the market doesn't care about it. So our job as a traders is to be cautious of what we're doing, be careful of what we're doing, and be, something like smartly. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you can control what you can do, like, to the market, your reaction, you can simply decide whether you're gonna be, a profitable trader or a fucking bro loser trader. I'm telling you. So try to control about your emotions, your discipline, like try to control all over you. That's the only thing that you can control, and if you can control that, this is gonna be easy. So think about that way. The market doesn't give a shit about anyone. It all goes down, up, consolidation. That's all what the market does. And yeah. So um I've written a okay, so let me show you this because when it says when you are a trader, you gotta have a plan, like trading plan, trading rules. It's really like the best thing I've ever done, and it's really true thing. Absolutely, 1,000,000%. It's really true because now I've written here this whiteboard that the strategy I use, the time I enter, the pairs I trade with, and um, how can I say this? Like the explanation of actually my trading setup. So let me show you real quick, and it's gonna be really crazy. Can you see it? Okay, wait. Let me. Okay, I think you can't see it, but the thing is, I said price. Okay, let me just explain it to you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is my whiteboard. So I said I use price action strategy. I use price action strategy. And okay, wait. Okay, you can hear me then. So I said I use price action strategy, and the pairs I trade are just two, although it's only one. And if you're trading over a year now and you're still struggling, please, I'm telling you, just try to trade with one pair because you're gonna memorize, like you're gonna learn that that pair all over it, what it does, how it moves, whatever happened, no matter what, you're gonna know exactly what this pair does. Like you're gonna exactly know because the more you do, the more you analyze only one pair, the more you see over and over again and analyze in just one pair, you're gonna understand what it does, all of it. So I said I use GBP USD and I use USD JPY. So I used to try to do a gold USD, and I said, bro, gold is fucked up. I mean, it's crazy, and I can't trade. So I said, no, I won't trade gold any other time. So the thing I will trade is just GB USD and also USD JPY. On the time frames, I said I only trade 4 hour, 1 hour, and the 30 minute. So 4 hour. Okay, I missed that one. So I start from the daily and mark some key levels, the key levels. Then 4 hour, come back to 4 hour, and 4 hour is really the best one because even this trade I'm gonna show you real quick later on this video. I'm gonna show you like I took based on 4 hour chat because it all tells you like what the overall candles are doing, because if this 4 hour candle is breaking this support level, then boom, that means we're going to all the way up. Okay, so support. Okay, wait, sorry, this is support. If it breaks, we're going to, okay, yeah, we're going to all the way down. It's kind of a little confusing. And if it breaks this resistance level, we're going to all the way um, up, and that resistance level changes into her support level, right? And so I said follow these rules. So okay, so I said follow these rules to place a trade. Okay, what are those rules? Also, first of all, my trading my trading thing is like setup is break and retest, break and retest. The price was consolidating for a long period of time, and then what happened was the price broken at a certain level where it was actually doing it in consolidation, and then the price as it breaks, it comes back to retest, to make it a strong resistance or support depending on the direction. So I said break and retest. Okay. So the first thing, identify key levels, support and resistance zone. This is my first thing. Like identify key levels, support and resistance. Those are the main ones. So the one I do. The second one, breakout confirmation. How can I know the breakout confirmation? I said wait for a clear breakout. Wait for a clear breakout. And how can you know? You can simply know that if the market was consolidating for a long period of time, and what it did was break it, and then when it break it, like it comes back to retest, right? I'm not gonna wait because if it just like I always have the thing that made me confidence to take the trade for this setup is break and retest. When it breaks, it comes back to retest. So if I see that that retest has a lot of rejections, if I see that retest have a lot of rejections, actually, like then I'm taking it. I'm waiting for a little engulfing candle, a little engulfing candle, or maybe pimper or whatever the case may be. Like if it gave me something that can make me take that trade for sure, I'm gonna take it. So the third thing is okay, retest entry, brush retested the level and shows rejections. Of course, that's what I was saying now. Place stop loss below or above the retest zone. So this stop loss is going to be the recent swing high or low depending on the direction. Set a take profit at the next key level based on risk to reward ratio or based on two. So my minimum risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. So that's what I said. And entry is based off of support and resistance. Okay, I said how can I say this? Like there are other setups that work, so not all the time, but 80% almostly, because those are like reversal reversal chart patterns. Those are double top and double bottom. Okay, yeah. So my rule is, if I didn't see anything that I mentioned now on my trading chart, I'm not taking it. No matter what happened, I'm not taking it. So that was it. And my risk, I mean the risk I trade is 0.5%, no more than. So it's gonna be like if I have a 100K account. I mean, although now I'm in the competition final next 100K, so all our risk is um 0.5%. So yeah, and that was it. Please, if you're like doing it almostly, and like I said, have plans, have rules on trading, and let me know in the comment what you're struggling with. If it's discipline, if it's emotions, if it's all overall your psychology system. But before that, you gotta have strategy. Before the psychology, you gotta have strategy. Then when your strategy is good, then think about this, psychology, fixing it. And there is a book called Trading in the Zone that is gonna help you also a lot. So let me know in the comment what you're struggling with, and see you next.